Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another plan with me. This is for the week of Valentine's Day, the 7th through the 14th, I think. Well, it ends on the 14th. 14th is Sunday. This week I am planning in my Recollections coil planner using this kit from Glam Planner. It is an old one. I don't remember the name. I think it's called Lump Spell, something like that. And yeah, I just really liked the colors and the love sort of theme. I went ahead and put down the base off camera, but I'll talk you through some things. The glitter headers I got to go along with the kit. My silver glitter header underlays, are a tape from Rose Color Days. The foil glitter header overlays, as well as the full box overlays, and are from, and the bottom washi overlay are from Scribble Prints Co. I used the hearts for some of the overlays, and then just the standard Scribble Prints Co. solid bows in silver for the bottom washi overlay. Then I'm just filling in my little sidebar 3-heart checklists to mark some things for this week and next week. Those scripts are from Harriet Wright Designs. The workout script in the sidebar is from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy, and the reading script in silver in the sidebar is from Shop Jessica Hearts, and the YouTube script in the sidebar is also from Harriet Wright Designs. The pen that I'm using is the Pilot G2 in .38 in black, and I think that is everything for the base. On the top of the spread, you'll see that I lined it with the multicolored dots from the kit, just for some decoration. On the top of Monday, I'm marking my plan with me going live with a script from Letters to Apollo, and that coffee cup is from a Paperella story. I pulled in one of the work labels and a quarter box to fill in the top half of Monday. The teacher genie is from Glam Planner, and I'm pulling in a meeting script from Jessica Hearts to mark our class's morning meeting that happens every Monday morning. Then I'm pulling in a lesson planning icon from Fox and Pip to mark completing my lesson plans as well as sub plans for the week. That planning script is also from Shop Jessica Hearts. I had 2 days this week where I was not teaching, one due to my second COVID vaccine. I just took the day off in case I didn't feel well the day after my vaccine, and then the second day off was on Thursday, where I was in a meeting during most of my class, so I just decided to have a sub come in and then do some work for the rest of our class period after my meeting. I pulled in a little squatting teeny to mark a workout on Monday. That script is from Scribble Prints Co. Then I'm just moving some things around here, exchanging that half box for a smaller solid quarter box, and pulling in a silver phone icon from Murdoch Talks to mark filming a sticker organization video. That script is from Kenzie's Creations. I use the phone icon because I do film using my phone. Then I am ordering Chick-fil-A Monday night. That salad icon is from Once More with Love, and the Chick-fil-A script is from a Paperella story. Then I'm pulling in that half box onto the top of Tuesday. And the planner icon from the kit to mark that my Harriet Designs planner came in this day. I used a Happy Meal script in silver from Kinsey's Creations to mark that. I did a lot of shopping and receiving of packages this day. I pulled in another work label from the kit, as well as a piece of deco to mark school. And then the online class script that I'm using is another one from A Paperella Story. Then I'm pulling in one of the darker colored fancy labels there. I was able to purchase an Aura Estelle pocket this day, which you'll see in a second. And that fancy label is to mark my second vaccine appointment. That script is from Franny Loom Stickers, and the character is a Kisma from Glam Planner. Then I was able to purchase my Aura Estelle pocket. I used a rounded $50 to mark that with a munchkin from Once More with Love, a little shopping munchkin, and wrote in that I was able to purchase my Aura Estelle pocket during the restock that happened this afternoon. Well, Tuesday afternoon. Then I pulled in a strip of light pink washi. And a strip of the dark purple washi to finish off the day. Then I pulled in the envelope deco from the kit to mark editing a haul. That script is from Letters to Apollo. That bowl is a leftover piece of deco from Glam Planner that I used to mark cooking dinner, and the cook script is from Sticky Essentials. I think that you're not quite able to see what's on the top of Wednesday here, but we're just arranging some things a little bit. Here's one of those pattern half boxes on the bottom of Wednesday, and I'm also pulling in the movie marquee to mark watching The Bachelor on this day. My Bachelor script is from Letters to Apollo, and I just used the heart icon that came in the kit to mark that. And I pulled in one of the fancy labels to go underneath that movie marquee on the bottom of Wednesday, and the same colored pink washi strip to go above the movie marquee, and another fancy label in that medium pink color to go on the top section with that light pink flag on the top. I used the flag to mark that I took this day off of work due to my reaction from the vaccine. The emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. and the script is from Shop Jessica Hearts. I slept in this day. That script is from Letters to Apollo, and the girl is from Pumpkin Paper Co. I did feel under the weather. That script is from Glam Planner, and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. But I did do some planning this day. That is a script from the kit and an icon from the kit. And then I watched The Bachelor in the afternoon, and then went to bed early. And the script and that circle icon are both from the kit. I had basically your standard symptoms, reaction, mild fever, chills, body aches, nothing major, but I was definitely glad that I took the day off. On Wednesday, I watched a bunch of my favorite kids' movies and just really relaxed. Had a bunch of Gatorade and was able to go back to work on Thursday. But I didn't really have to go back to work on Thursday because I had a meeting that I had to get out of teaching for on Thursday morning. So I didn't necessarily have to teach on Thursday. I just had to be present and participate in a meeting on Thursday morning, which helped with the recovery process a little bit. And then I was able to go back to work as usual on Friday. So here I'm just arranging my functional items for the rest of the week here. I pulled in those two flags, the patterned ones on the top of Wednesday and Friday, this patterned half box on the bottom of Thursday, and then I'm going to wind up cutting down this rounded half box, I think. No, I cut down 2 more of the half boxes later in the week. At the end of the week, I learned that from Andrea of Scribble Prints Co. I saw her do that once. If you have a box that's too large, you can cut it in half lengthwise and kind of shrink it to fit whatever space you need. I marked morning coffee with items from the kit. I marked work on Thursday also with a script and piece of deco from the kit. I'm marking my meeting that I had on Thursday morning. And then I am using the little bed icon that came in the kit and the laundry time script from the kit to mark washing our sheets and doing all of our laundry on Thursday. Then I'm using a piece of cat-shaped deco from the kit and a trash night script to mark cleaning our cat's cat box on Thursday evening. I thought that it was very fitting that there was a piece of cat-themed deco in this kit. I'm marking me time with another piece of deco and a script from Scribble Prints Co. And my FaceTime dinner with my mom with a teeny from Glam Planner, and that make dinner script is from Virgo and Paper. I'm sorry if you can hear an obnoxious truck outside. Hopefully they will pass and quiet soon. I'm just switching out that piece of washi on the top of Friday for a work label. And moving the washi to the second half of Friday. That work late script is from the kit, as well as those glasses to mark working. I'm marking my upload with an icon from the kit, and that upload script is from Netty Designs. Marking a workout with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and one of the icons from the kit. I did a stretch flow kind of yoga workout this day. I'm marking cleaning. I ran our dishwasher this day. Both of those items are from the kit. And I pulled in a patterned half box for the bottom of Friday and a solid quarter box above that with the house icon and a Netflix and chill script from Scribble Prints Co. And I'm marking an appointment on the bottom of Friday. That appointment script is from Franny Lamb Stickers, and the icon is from the kit. Then moving over to Saturday and Sunday. I'm just filling in the last item on that checklist there, and then my weekly tracker on the bottom of the sidebar for Saturday and Sunday. Then moving up to the top of Saturday, I have already marked in grocery shopping with a credit card and script from the kit. I marked sleeping in with an icon from the kit, and that sleep in script is from Scribble Prints Co. I used a teeny tot from Glam Planner and a FaceTime script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark FaceTiming some kiddos in our family. I picked up one of my medications on Saturday. That script is from Station Stickers, as well as the one on the bottom of Saturday. And I used icons from the kit, as well as a script from the kit to mark painting my nails, my toenails on Saturday. And then I also put away some mail on Saturday evening, some stickers that I recently got. And that icon is from the kit as well. I am marking our grocery delivery with a script and an icon, both from Glam Planner. I used a piece of deco from the kit and a Flex and Chill script from Scribble Prints Co. On the top of this day, I marked Valentine's Day with a script and a piece of deco. I marked date night with stickers from Once More With Love. The emoji on the bottom is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I marked making dinner with the script from Virgo and Paper. And the With My Love script is from Scribble Prints Co. I just realized that's in the wrong foil. That's gonna bother me, but I don't know why I pulled out a rose gold one instead of silver. Anyway, I'm just repositioning here to get my wiggle for you all. Really hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know what your Valentine's Day plans were in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like what you see. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.